everybody, welcome to Hey to Z, my channel right here on YouTube, and I'm gonna be doing something that a lot of you would consider crazy. Hey, I'm going to be cutting my hair, my own hair, just to let you guys know, just because it's day 7 of the quarantine for me does not mean I'm doing this because I'm bored. I actually have a legitimate reason why I'm cutting my hair. First off, since the quarantine, I've been working out almost every day, and I just get so tired washing my hair every day, and it's so long. Like, look at this, look. It is super long. And right here, it's super dry because of the color. Shout out, by the way, to Hair Shaft in Robinsons, Manila. They did really great with my hair. It's super beautiful. I love the coloring. It's just that right now I can't deal with the maintenance of having to shower my hair and wait for it to dry or blow dry it every time right after I do my workouts. So I kind of want to just chop off the edges, and then if I want to make it a little bit higher. Oh my god. I'm thinking about it now and I'm freaking out. But yeah, I'm also excited because I've never done this before, and I know for a fact that my parents are gonna kill me, especially my mom. But here's the thing, I don't think that the quarantine is gonna be done anytime soon, so might as well cut it because it's gonna grow anyway. It's just hair after all. It's just that I hope that I don't cut it higher than it's supposed to. And I've been watching some DIY videos on YouTube, and I did find something that is pretty easy to follow. The problem is I don't have some of the stuff. For example, I don't have a comb. I only have this brush. Yeah, so I only have this brush. I don't have a comb. I tried looking for a comb. I don't have one. So that's one thing that I'm worried about. I don't know if that's going to change the result. Also, I don't have a hair cutting scissor. I only have these scissors. So I don't know. Am I crazy? Because I haven't been outside and meeting other people to tell me like this is a bad idea? I don't know, but let's see. Also, I don't have any elastics. I don't have the very thin rubber elastic bands. I only have these. So maybe they're too thick, but I mean, nothing can be too thick, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so we're gonna start it, and I'm just gonna be like checking out this YouTube video again. I watched this YouTube video that has 2.6 million views, how to cut your own hair short and straight, and this is by Sherry Ano Nuevo. I think this girl's Filipina, represent. In the first part of her video, she says that you have to make sure that you part your hair where you would naturally part it. So I think that's pretty good. I have my mirror right here, so I guess I have to just check it out myself here. Okay, so this is pretty good, I think. Then on the side, on the back, I'm just gonna wing it. So since I'm doing this by myself and no one's helping me out, I'm gonna look at my hair from the back by using this other mirror, this small mirror, to tell me if I'm doing it right. That's good enough, I think. So I parted my hair, and then I have to really brush it or comb it down really flat. See how long it is? Like, oh. Make sure that you have no knots at all. So I think this is good. I have to make sure that's flat. You have to put it in pigtails. The first rubber band is just so that you can keep it stabilized, right? This is not where I'm gonna cut my hair, y'all. I mean, are you crazy? Crazy? Not like me, at least. So there you go. I tied the first one. You tie the other side. Making sure, again, no knots, and making sure that it's super straight. Now here's the thing, if you have like really thin hair, then you're supposed to just do it in 2. And I'm wondering if I should be doing it in 4 pigtails instead of just 2, because I can feel how thick it is right now. Okay, so very cute. I look like I'm in grade school. And then the second part, let's use a white color just so that I don't miss it. Okay, white. You have to tie the part where you wanna cut. So here is where it starts, the dryness of it all. So I kind of want to cut it until here. Not too high, because I don't want to I don't want to kill myself after this. I think this is okay, right? Yeah, okay. So right there. And then here on the other side. I can hear my mom outside. If she comes in and she sees me doing this, I wonder what she's gonna say. Okay, this is a little bit higher than this. I guess I need to check it in the mirror. I'm tying it again. Okay. So I'm hoping that this isn't too high. They said, by the way, that it's better to go as low as you can and then work your way up, just so that you can fix the length. Because just in case it's too short, you can't really fix it. But if it's too long, you kind of can adjust it along the way. So this is still pretty long, huh? But this is the part where it's getting really, really dry. But the color is amazing. I mean, Hair Chef, you were making it hard for me to cut this off. I mean, I can always go back to Hair Chef and Robinson's just in case this is messed up, but it has to be after the quarantine. You know what? I'm going to just lower it a little bit. This is it. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, they said to cut it. You wait. Wait. Let's do this a little bit lower first. Okay, lower. Okay. Okay, they said to cut it here on the top of the band, not at the bottom. So I guess this is also like less hair to sweep off the floor. Are you ready? Because I don't know if I'm ready to do it. Because it feels like it's long. Like, look at this. It's still pretty long. That's like a foot of hair. Okay, let's do this. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Let's put it lower. Because you know what? The reason why I'm putting it lower is because I can see that if I put it here, it goes higher than what you can see here. It's higher. Okay, so I think this is okay. I think this is okay. This is it. This is it. Oh shit. Oh my god, this is it, guys. This is it. No turning back now. No turning back now. I did it. The first part. It's not that bad actually. It's not that bad. Okay. This is the first one. Oh, okay. Oh sh. Oh god. Is it the same length? It is more or less the same length. Okay. I did the other side. Now there's two. Maybe I might use this as like... No, they're too rough. Okay, so let's see what we have here. How short did it get? Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that short. It's just a little bit. Okay, so as you can see here, it's kind of like jagged at the bottom, and over here on the other side it's also jagged at the bottom. And in the video she said that we have to do it step by step. I'm trying to figure out what's happening to my hair. Let me put a towel on the floor just in case the hair just gets everywhere. Wait a second. Okay, the towel is on the floor. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, there's a first time for everything. It feels lighter already, man, honestly. And it's not that bad. I mean, it is bad because it's not the same length, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna put it back. Okay, I'm kind of trying to stay focused here. All right, we have to do each side. You have to do it part by part, but I can already see that this is way longer than everything else, so I'm just gonna cut that off. Oh, I can feel it on my legs. Oh gosh. That's a whole bunch of hair right there. See, it looks like it's way better in the front. I don't know how it looks like in the back. Okay, right here. I see that there's jagged pieces over here. So I'm just gonna cut that off. Holy. It's another piece of my hair that's cut off. I can feel the hair on my legs. Alright, let's see how it looks in the back. Like, how straight does it look in the back? Is it straight? Is it straight? Y'all gotta tell me if it's straight. Then I have to soften it up, the edges, and do it part by part. Yeah, this is just too frumpy, I guess, frizzy. I think I need to straighten it, because actually in the video she also straightens her hair so that everything just goes down, and then she can see whether or not she has to chop off some of the stuff. So let me get my hair straightener real quick. I want to get it exactly how it should be because it's a bit choppy right now. It's so much easier to straighten my hair since it's a bit shorter. The way Shari does it is she cuts it first and then she straightens it, but I want to straighten it right now and kind of skip a step, and I hope that works for me. Just like how using a hair tie and not an elastic works for me, and using a brush and not a comb works for me, so far at least. Also, it's not that bad at all. I wonder if my parents are gonna notice or if they're gonna freak at all. Basically, I'm supposed to take a part and then do this, and then see if there's any jagged edges. You know what, I'm just gonna be more careful about it, do it part by part. I think everything is pretty straight a little bit. Yeah, okay, there's one part that I see here that needs cutting. Whew. Just a little bit. I'm trying not to get hair on the floor, but at this point there's nothing that I can do. Okay, not bad, not bad. Just soften it up. Doing this, that's what I see. Maybe one more time. Okay, there's a little bit here that I see that is out of place. Okay, got that part. Let's take that other piece that I put up earlier. This is kind of jagged right here, it's out of place. So I'm just gonna chop it off. Soften it up. Woo, woo. I just don't want to make it shorter and shorter. Oh gosh, okay, not so bad, not so bad. Oh, right here, this is a little long. Snip. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at this from my chair. Oh, I'm straightening out this other side. Are you guys having fun watching me potentially mess up my hair? It's a good thing I didn't go for the bob. I told myself that in order for me to get a bob, I need to lose at least 20 pounds. It's just not gonna go well with my face shape if I get a bob. Plus, it's kind of like a reward. Lose 20 pounds and you get a new haircut. I feel like it's getting shorter. My mom is gonna be pissed. Okay, and the other one right here. It's kind of pantay. This looks longer, but I'm afraid that I'm just doing that and then it's not gonna get the same length. No, it's not. Oh, oh. Good enough for this part. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything bad with the second layer. It actually looks pretty straight to me. Maybe it just needs a little bit of softening, but it doesn't show like it's too jagged. Like, it shows a little bit right here, but not that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snip it off. Okay, okay, okay. Cut that part right here. It's a little shorter. I think I realized why it's shorter, because I kept looking down. And I thought that it was long, but it's shorter. Okay, 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 okay. Relax, relax, relax. I'm just gonna soften it. Soften the edges. My mom is really gonna freak when she sees this. She's Arab too, so she's gonna freak extra hard. Oh, this does not look at all the same length, but I'm thinking it's because this is from my earlier cut. I'm feeling itchy already. I want to take a shower. So it's just a little bit longer, just a little bit like this. I'm gonna cut it. Now I'm more confident in cutting it, if you noticed. Because the hard part is over, the length part is over. It is still a bit scary for me to do this on my own. I mean, again, I can still fix it. And the quarantine is over. Plus, it'll always grow. Now it's time to soften. Oh! Oh! I had softened it the wrong way. I just got too excited. Okay, it's still okay. It's still okay. Not too big. Oh! Keep doing it the wrong way. I think okay, that's enough softening, you guys. On this side, I think I did it too much. Okay, other side. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh, that's a lot of hair, guys. Honestly, I didn't think that it would be this much hair. You know, as a beauty queen, because I did join Miss Earth and I did join Miss World Philippines. As a beauty queen, I would not ever in my life think about doing something like this at all. I have to see how it looks in the back. It's itchy though. What do you think though? It's kind of the same length. Let's see what the family thinks. Here.
What is that?
What do you think?
Oh my god!
What do you think?
Oh my god!
It's not bad. Diba? It's pantay. Pantay. What about in the back?
Babantayin kita eh.
Can you check the back?
Yeah, bantay.
Is it pantay?
Yeah.
Really? Really? So it's good, no? It's not too short also, right? It's just the dead ends. Is it nice?
Oh my god. Bench! Look at this.
Why not?
Don't.
What do you think? Is it pantay?
Here's 40.
I guess.
This is
I will put it on.
It's on already.
Yeah, okay.
It's on. Is it really pantay?
Yeah.
I think I can do this regularly.
Really?
You want me to cut your hair?
Oh, really?
I'll cut your hair.
Thank you.
What do you think? What do you think? Pwede na? You're not so mad, right? It's not too short. Sakto lang siya.
Actually, it's really dry. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I cut it out. I only cut out the dry one. Look, my hair is so much softer now.
Okay.
Right? You guys like it, right? My fans like it.
Your face.
Pa!
What's that?
That's my hair.
It's your hair?
I cut it. What do you think?
It's nice.
Tingnan mo.
Pwede na.
Pwede na? Tingnan mo yung likod.
Yeah.
Pantay?
Yeah.
Yan!
Yeah, you just cut like that, they'll make it for the... When I cut my hair, I'll do like that.
You want to make it shorter? Enough? Enough? Approve? So I changed my shirt because it was getting itchy and I just wanted to share with you the results and the verdict. You gotta be really, really careful. If you have already short hair, I do not suggest that you do the DIY haircut because it can get a little bit risky. For me, I was just lucky enough that I have really, really long hair up to here, and now that I cut like a few inches off, it feels like a weight off my shoulders, literally, and it doesn't look so bad. I kind of, you know, after doing this, I'm so confident. I'm so confident that I want to cut it shorter. Not for now. Maybe if it gets longer again, I'll do another video to cut it a little bit shorter, maybe shoulders length, maybe, I don't know. But my mom doesn't hate it too much. She's just freaked out that I got to do it by myself. And my dad gave me the thumbs up approval, and my brother doesn't care. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as much as possible, try to do it with someone who can guide you, because I did this on my own with just a video. This is pretty fun. Let me know what you think about this video, if you like it or not. I hope everybody is staying sane in the quarantine. Again, this was not because I was bored, but I really had damaged hair, and no matter how much I tried, it just would not get resurrected. I don't know, maybe after a few days I might want to cut it shorter. So thank you again for watching this video. I hope that you like it, and I can't stop feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my boom, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my Okay, bye!